Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to get your first part-time job for teens. As a teenager, looking for your first part-time job can seem like a difficult task. Finding a job is hard to begin with for anyone. When you haven't had any experience in a workplace, have never been through an interview, and do not know where to start with writing your first resume. What is the best way to find your first job? It can be difficult, but it is definitely not impossible. If you take it one step at a time, you will soon be employed. Preparing for the job hunt. The most important step for getting your first job take place before you even head out the front door. You need to prepare for what you are about to do. Put together a simple resume. You probably won't need a resume for a basic first part-time job unless the position is an internship. However, it will be useful for you to have a document ready to promote your background as you network with contacts to make in-person prospecting visit with employees. Highlight any experiences that showcase discipline, commitment, and willingness to work hard. Consider referencing any activities which you have pursued inside or outside of school. Leadership positions with school organization are particularly attractive to employ. Odd job done on a freelance basis like babysitting, yard work, snow shoveling, paper routes. You can also reference any school projects, advanced courses, academic competition. Tap your network for leads. Networking is always a good way to get started in the workplace. That means using people you know to help you find a job. You never know who may have an opening that is a perfect fit for you. Ask your parents if they have contacts at local employers who might be hiring. Contact neighbors, teachers, counselors, coaches, ministers, and family contacts and ask for suggestions about people are employed to approach. Make a list of places to apply. Of course, you can also consider employers where you don't have any contacts. You can use websites that focus on posting part-time position. You can walk through accessible areas of your town looking for help wanted signs. Put on your list of places anywhere that you think would be fun to work and go get that job. Be prepared for rejection. Before you apply anywhere, you need to prepare yourself for rejection. Nobody gets accepted at every place they apply for a job. There is a right and wrong way to respond to a business owner or manager who says they have no need for you. They show the manager that you are serious about getting a job and you have demonstrated the ability to follow up. Be ready for an interview. When you apply for a job in person, you may be asked to interview on the spot, or you could be invited to come back at a scheduled time in the future. What to wear to apply an interview? Make sure that you are well groomed and appropriately dressed when you head out the door. You do not need to be in a suit. Just make sure you look presentable. Be sure to wear neat and tidy clothes. Avoid shorts, flip flops, and dirty sneakers. Not wear a hat. Put your phone on the silent mode. Project confidence. Go to each of the employee on your list, walk in the door and ask for that job. Keep your head up, maintain eye contact, have a firm handshake, and be confident. Employees look for certain qualities when a job seeker walks in the door. Follow up with the employee. Following up after an interview is probably the most important part of getting a job. Employees look for candidates who have the ability to follow up because it shows a willingness to get involved and be responsible. Don't be afraid to go back in person to the same employee if you would really like to work there. You can say that you are touching base to check on the status of your application and emphasize how much you would like the job. All things being equal, employer will often reward enthusiasm. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.